We are moving steadily. We are moving steadily because we know who is our enemy and we know who is our friend. And we are not, those people are still wandering around in the atmosphere up there as to who is going to be the leader, who is going to be what, For us, we have already decided. We are just negotiating to make a strong coalition where ODM clearly has its policies incorporated and UDA have their policies incorporated. We come up with one strong manifesto. We are a social democratic party. A strong manifesto which we shall use to sell to the people of Kenya and win the next elections. We are confident and we are not shaken. We are not shaken by any. What we don't want and what my dad did not want, he was fighting for democracy. Raila fought for democracy up to the end, the last breath. But that democracy did not include bloodshed. What they did not want is bloodshed. So we don't want anything which can cause bloodshed. We don't want incitement. We don't want divisions, tribal, based on tribes. We want a united Kenya. If you have better ideas, better programs to implement for the Kenya, don't go and collect yourself in a certain corner and you call yourself the mountain. The mountain is where? It is on earth here like everything else. There is nothing like that. All Kenyans are equal and all Kenyans deserve to be served equally. And we don't want bloodshed, like my brother did not want bloodshed. That is why we came together with Ruto. Otherwise, why did we compete with Ruto and he stole our elections as we believe? And then we come together, we are working together. It is because of the love for Kenya that my brother had, the love for this country. He did not want this country to go down in the abyss like countries like Somalia, where there is war, there is bloodshed, people are dying on a daily basis, being shot by the same guns for which they are paying taxes.